Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Assistant Professor in Department of IT in Biyani Group of College. Today I deliver a video lecture on looping with switch case statement. So in the previous lecture we have already discussed switch case statement. Now we are using looping by taking this example. In this example we have two variables, x variable whose initial value is 0 and j variable. Then we are using for loop, j assignment 0, now value of j is 0, j is less than equal to 5, this condition is fully satisfied, 0 is less than 5, control enter inside a for loop. Inside a for loop we can see this is a switch statement, switch j minus 1, the value of j is 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, it gives minus 1. Now inside a switch value is minus 1, so control goes to minus 1 case. This is the case 0 and this is the case minus 1. So we can directly put case 0, case 1. If we want to execute particular statements after satisfied 2 or more cases, then we can directly mention case 0, colon sign, case minus 1, then statement x assignment x plus 1. So value of x assignment x plus 1 will be executed in the both of the cases if case 0 is satisfied or case minus 1 is satisfied. So here value is minus 1, control goes case minus 1 and x assignment x plus 1, x is 0, 0 plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, now it is 1, this 1 will be stored inside a x. Now value of x is 1. There is a break statement. As we discussed earlier, using break, control goes outside the loop. So control goes outside the switch body. There is a printf statement, print percentage d x. Here we are printing value of x. Now value of x is 1. It print 1. Again curly bracket, this curly bracket of for loop, control goes to next part of for loop, that is increment operator. Now j plus plus value, previous value of j is 0, now j become 1. 1 less than equal to 5, condition is satisfied, switch 1 minus j is 1, 1 minus 1, now value is 0, that is switch 0. So control goes to case 0. Inside a case 0 there is no statement and there is no break statement, so control goes next case, case minus 1, again x assignment x plus 1. So it will increase value of x by 1. Previous value of x is 1, 1 plus 1, now x becomes 2. Now x becomes 2, break, control goes outside the switch body here. So it print value of x, now value of x is 2. This curly bracket, control goes jump to this place j plus plus. The previous value of j is 1, now j becomes 2 by using this post increment operator. J is 2, 2 less than equal to 5, condition is satisfied. Again control enter, switch to j minus 1, the value of j is 2, 2 minus 1, then it gives 1. So here 1 occur, control goes to case 1 here, case 1. Inside a case 1 there is no statement, no break statement, so control proceed further case 2 and case 3. Now x assignment x plus 2, the previous value of x is 2, 2 plus 2, now x becomes 4. There is break statement, so control jump here, printf. So it print value of x, that is 4. Again control jump j plus plus, now value of j will be increased by default 1, the previous value of j is 2, now j is 3. 3 less than 5, condition is satisfied, 3 minus 1, it gives 2. So case 2 will be execute, control goes to case 2, this place, there is no statement, then control proceed further case 3, x assignment x plus 2, the previous value of x is 4, 4 plus 2, it gives 6, now new value of x is 6. By using this break statement, control goes similarly this place x, so it print value 6. Again j plus plus, the value of j is now 4. 4 is less than equal to 5, condition is again satisfied. 4 minus 1, it gives 3, switch 3, control goes to case 3, this place. X assignment x plus 2. Now previous value of x is 6, 6 plus 2, it gives 8. Now value of x is 8. By using this printf, it print value 8. Again, control jump here, j plus plus, previous value of j is 4, now j become 5. 5 is less than equal to 5, 5 is not less than, but it is equal to 5. So condition is again satisfied. Inside for loop, switch 5 minus 1, it gives 4. There is no particular case 4, so control goes to default statement. Control goes to default statement. X assignment x plus 3. The previous value of x is 8. Now x plus 3, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, it gives 11. So value of x is now 11. Control goes outside, so it print 11. Again, j plus plus, the previous value of j is 5, now j become 6. 6 less than equal to 5, 6 is neither less than nor equal to, so condition is false. Control goes outside the for loop, get siege statement. So it print finally 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 11. Thank you for watching our video lecture. Please like, comments and subscribe our YouTube channel gurukpu.com.